to another video. Today we are fall decorating in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video where we got the whole family room all decorated. It looks so beautiful and it's so cozy. I love the way the mantle turned out. Hopefully you stayed till the very end of that video because I switched it up completely and I love the way it turned out. But now that we've got the family room all done, I want to move into the kitchen. The kitchen is where I spend a lot of time and I always love to just cozy it up. We have a very open concept here, so it just makes sense to do the kitchen, the family room, the dining room, the office, the entryway, the whole shebang, and just get everything feeling really cozy for fall this year. As we head into the cooler months of the season, I love to bring in all of those jewel tones and different textures and all of those fall vibes. Baking a cake or baking muffins around fall decor is just so much more cozier than in the summer. So we're really gonna warm it up today. We're gonna be concentrating on this area here. When I took down all the decor this summer, I just kind of left it plain Jane. I haven't really enjoyed that wreath up there at all. I do like to have a wreath on the hood. I paid housekeepers to come in and do a deep clean of my whole house so that I had a nice clean space to decorate in. What a treat that was. I thought I was going to have them come back every other week, but it turned out this particular housekeeper is not reliable, so she got fired after she was done. That's okay. I'll eventually find somebody. I just feel good having a nice deep clean, and now I can just maintain it. And moving forward, we'll see. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I have a back injury and I'm trying to stay well. So I bought a few things. We're going to be switching things out. We're just going to be warming the space up. I'm keeping a lot of my regular decor out because my home is decorated in blue and white. If you're somebody who has a home where you decorate with blue and white, you might find that it's really hard at Christmas time and at fall time to bring in those jewel tones or those Christmas tones with your decor. So this year I'm really concentrating on how to incorporate the two. I always love to decorate above my cabinets, and I have those baskets I found at Home Goods last year and I love them. Those are staples on top of my cabinets. So we're going to be decorating in front of those. So I think that's where we'll start, is right up here. And then I'll move down to the counters and we'll just warm it all up. All right, let's go ahead and get started. When I decorated the living room for fall, I showed you a couple of wreaths, and I decided to go with this one in the kitchen because of the blueberries. I wanted to bring some of that vibe in here, and I just think that it goes so well with the baskets and it just really pops. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Just beautiful. Oh, it's so nice decorating in a clean space. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Isn't she beautiful? It looks so good. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's move over to the top of the cabinets. So I bought the same garland that I used on the mantle for up above the cabinets. I'm gonna go ahead and place that first. Just kind of like that. I don't want them to be, I just want a hint of it up here. Just kind of like that. Okay, kind of spilling over a little bit. Oh, it looks so beautiful with this. I'm doing it so it's not interfering with the opening and closing of the cabinets. Just like that. And then I wasn't sure if I was gonna do 3 or 2 pumpkins, but I got a tall one, so one that sits up higher. And I'm gonna place that one here, and I might need to get my risers like I used last time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get risers. Please hold. So I just grabbed some old books and things from the office. Put this one up here. And there we go. It's kind of hard to see from, hopefully you guys can see. Might need to go a little taller though. Hold on. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that's better. That's good. Okay. And then I have a couple of smaller, like flatter ones. Those are gonna need to go up on books too. Books are your friend when you're decorating on top of cabinets. Let's see how this, I wanted a couple of different colors. I like the mix of the reflective glass and the terracotta. Oh, that looks good. Yes, yes, perfect. So I have some old magazines here that I'm gonna put right in the center. Do the garland next. And then I have the taller pumpkin. Put up here. It needs to be taller. Just like that. And I have this kind of sweater. Oh yeah, that works. Sweater weather. It's sweater weather. It is here. Let me know in the comments what the weather's like where you're at. Oh, that one needs another riser. Please hold. Oh, I love it. It looks so pretty. One more book. Yes. Just like that. It's good. We're gonna call it good. Now I have lights to go up here, but I don't have batteries for them. Doesn't that look so good? Looks so pretty. Oh, I love it. Okay, now we need to bring some of that color down onto the counter. Okay, so for here, I'm gonna take this away, and I'm gonna take the chicken away, and we are going to replace the chicken with one of those beautiful turkeys. Is that a turkey or pheasant? Pheasant. We already went through this, didn't we? I love that. And then I have this beautiful bowl that I got, and I just love the tones in it for the holidays. We're gonna just switch that out, and look at that. Just like that, that little vignette is fall related. I'm going to change out my tea kettle with my copper one, and that instantly adds a little warmth to the stove. I have a few picks here, and we're just gonna play with it and see how we like it, but we'll take out these spring and summer picks. We'll just kind of play with it and see how we like it, but I just wanted to bring a little bit of fall color over here. I may only need one. I got these from Gabe's, which used to be Old Time Pottery, but I want to leave the blue vase, and I think 2 is wonderful. Play with these picks, get them looking natural. Now I want to see how I like that. Sometimes just adding one style of pick is good, but let me see, would I like this? I mean, I don't hate it. A little added texture. Yeah, I think that looks good. We'll pull some down here, like kind of weave them in and out so they're kind of all over, spread out. I have a few other things. I just haven't decided where I want to put it. I have this beautiful little butter dish, so I thought, well, let's replace this one. This one's clean, so I can put that away with this. This is my potato. I know it's supposed to be in the dark, but I use potatoes pretty often, so this is my potato, garlic, onions. This doesn't really work, but what if there was like a fall meal? You know what I need that? You know what I need? Please hold. My actual recipe book holder. I love this. Okay, you know what I might do? So what I have is, this is a canister, and the lid, or the little decorative part on the lid, broke. If it fits, hopefully it fits. It's pretty narrow. Yeah, and then add these in here. I like that. Let me stand back. What is not working? I think it's the picture. Ooh, look at this one with pears. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I do like this. This one looks good. I might need to move my potatoes because I love this. I like having a little bit of fall interest down here. Love this. Love this cute little pumpkin butter dish. What am I not loving? What is the deal here? Could it be these? Probably. But I don't have anything else that I would want to use. Let me stand back a little bit further. Well, of course the picture is throwing me off. That's what's happening. The picture's throwing me off. It's throwing me off, so I'm gonna remove this, and when I find the other picture, I will just put it up here, because it's better to have nothing than something that doesn't work. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, less is more. And I'm not liking the vessel that those wooden things are in. What if I just take this away altogether? I don't need to use it. Put the butter dish here, right? That looks cute. That looks cute. Put the butter dish there. So maybe we take this. This is just my spoon rest, which doesn't have to be out necessarily. If it's not out, I always forget to use one. And then I can stain my countertops and maybe just put the rolling pin there. I like the wood on this. Still feel like this needs a little, needs like a, there's 4, it needs 5 items, hold on. So I bought this, it was on clearance for $3.79. It's the sweetest little apple picture. It's tiny. What if I just keep building and do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, take this away. Okay, I like that better. Moving to the back of the stove again. I have this, which has been underneath my stove here for the longest time. So maybe instead of a picture, we add that. And then I got this really cool fall leaf, trivet, or I don't know what it is. Maybe we just put that there. Do I like that? Let me live with it for a second. I've moved back to this here. I decided this I hated. I hated the colors in here. I grabbed my stems that have the biggest or the longest clippings because they don't need to be super tall, but just like a little pop of the fall color over here is really nice. And then I have to really think about practicality in the kitchen because I cook a lot. I do love this, but I like that as well for right now as a placeholder because it does bring the warm tones in and it kind of matches my countertop, so it works as a little backdrop back there. So I think I'm gonna take that fall leaf and just kind of put it here. Maybe hide that plug a little bit. Do I like that? 6, no, because there's 6 items. I might need to take this away. This little vignette is freaking gorgeous together, these 3. Yeah, taking the potatoes away is what I needed to do for sure. Yeah, I like that. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look, your eye will automatically make this 1 because it's like a little grouping. So 1, 2, 3. I got these beautiful Laura Ashley hand towels or dish towels at Home Goods. They're so pretty. Oh, I'm just finding all the things that match my house this year. Love it. Get rid of these here. Should I just do 1? Maybe 1 here. And I like these are the terry cloth, so they will wash easily and they will still look good. That looks good. And then I have a 3rd one. Okay. Put that one here. I like it, nice and subtle. This is a very practical spot. This is where I food prep. I leave fruit in here, and then the dish towels, I put them away sometimes, or not the dish towels, paper towels I put away usually. And I just like having the fruit bowl in the center there. I don't like to do anything anymore. I used to, but it's just not practical for me. So I'm just gonna leave that as is. Some beautiful red apples would be gorgeous in there. Put my rugs back down. They're gonna need to relax a little bit because they've been folded for a couple days. Second one here. I was gonna buy new rugs too, and I thought, nope, I'm gonna embrace my blue this year. Oh, I love it. My coffee bar is pretty moody already. The only thing that I think I'm gonna change in here are those florals. I mean, they work still though because they're baby's breath, but maybe if I add something to it just to bring some of the color from the kitchen in here, I think I'll do that. I got 3 more of those flowers, so if I just like pull this up and just kind of tuck them in a little bit, I don't know, we'll see. We shall see. I'm a big fan of trying to use what you can. Oh, that looks pretty. That looks really pretty. Looks dainty and delicate, but very fallsy. There we go. That looks good. Just like that. That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing anything else because I've already got baskets up there, but nobody's gonna see those. Nobody ever looks up, but it already looks fall because of the texture. And then this just is perfect, I think. I love it. I have one more area that I need to do. I almost forgot. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I always forget this area, but it needs to be done. It's really high. The cook sign is being blocked, but I'm okay with that. Perfection.
Even
I love the touches that I added. Not too much. It's just enough. It's just enough. I love the top of the cabinet. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys Wednesday at 6 p.m. for another decorating video. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.